Welcome to Winvoice Online, Basic Price List Setup. We'll start by going to the menu on the left-hand side, going to Admin, Basic Config, Price List. Now you'll notice here that at the top of this there's a button that says Quick Link to Items. That will take us back to our item list that we talked about previously, and you have at the top of the item list there's a quick link to prices. So once on the price list, you'll notice there's 4 example price lists here. There is no limit to the number of price lists you have. The more you have, the more complex your page will look. Basically, in order to create a new price list, you press New, and you type in a name. If you need to edit an existing price list, you put a check mark next to it and then press Edit. And this gives you some functions. You can rename the price list. You can replace all prices from another price list, copy missing prices, and you can raise and lower your price list by percentage, by a dollar amount, or by a profit amount. So we click Abort here, and whenever you want to set your prices for a price list, you'll click Set Prices, and you'll notice it has your items like it did, your groups for your items like it did in the creating your items list. For this example, we'll click on Metals. And metals, you'll notice it has the names of the metals, and it has the price lists across the top. It says bronze, silver, gold, platinum. Now, on here, you can have as many different pricings as you want. You'll notice that it's going across the board to different prices. And when you see a number in parentheses, what that means is that is your cost from the item, from putting it in the item under the cost field. It will show you here how much it cost, so that you can make the appropriate decisions on how much you wish to charge. It is very important to note that if an item is not priced, such as right here, this base metal MP for the platinum price list is not priced, it will not show up on an invoice for for any doctors assigned to that price list. So if you're missing an item on an invoice you think it should be there, if you check the price list, that's probably where it's gone, why it's not showing up. If you click on here at the bottom, click Save, it will tell you how many items were priced. We'll go back here. If you click Abort, it doesn't tell you anything. If you want to go back to your list of your price list, you can click Return to Price List. And as I showed you earlier, whenever you edit an existing price list, not only does it tell you this other information here, it will tell you who is assigned to this price list. For this example, the silver price list, many of our test accounts are assigned to it. Pretty much concludes setting up the prices. Look forward to seeing you all in the next video.